Soon after Bill Chayakli Votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Radio on, needle drop, old tune dead, time just stop. Bassline heavy, drum talk clear, ancient frequency in me ear. The sound older than the street, older than them concrete beat. From yard to yard, from land to sea, roots vibration follow me. No auto-tune, no shiny light, just soul, sweat and testify. Every chord got history, being turned into melody. You see how music change them ways. Fast food song for empty days, but roots not rush, roots not fake. It bend but not break. Me hear message in a bass, truth hidden in the space. If you listen more than you speak, you find strength in me. All roots frequency, show me soul. Make broken spirit, all roots frequency, deep and wide. Keep me steady inside. You smoke one drum and drop the needle. Sound hit hard but still peaceful. Lyrics rough but heart still warm, like shelter in a storm. Me see the past, me see the now, see what change and what allow. Roots remind me who me be before the world rename me. Me play loud, me play low, different meaning every go. Same song hit me fed mine, depend what you bring inside. Roots not judge, roots just show what you're ready to know. If you laugh, it guide you back. No map, no track, static form, signal strong. Old truth last long. When function gone and drink decay, roots still play. Old roots frequency, tune me soul. Make broken spirit cold. Roots frequency, deep and wide. Keep me steady inside. When the last records can slow, the lesson still echo. Roots frequency remain. Yeah, again. Yeah, again. Zion Roots, ay ay ay, Kalikush, inna the paper. Ya Mon, freedom blaze, light up this vodka. Her body key make the spirit fly. One love call, me reply. Freedom blaze, your love can die. Freedom blaze, light up this vodka. Her body key make the spirit fly. One love call, me reply. Freedom blaze, your love can die. Babylon chain can't hold me soul. The herb me bun make the righteous whole. Inna the fire me find me goal. Freedom blaze take full control. Every puff I remind me say, your light shine bright, show me the way. Roll up the chalice, give thanks and pray. Freedom blaze, make the dark turn day. Freedom blaze, light up the sky. Her body key, make the spirit fly. One love call, me reply. Freedom blaze, your love can die. The heal apologize. Enough wisdom flow. Listen, your voice can silence truth. It's the people choice. Freedom blazing, I love me pies. Blueberry strain or OG fire. The herb uplift, take me higher. Inna the smoke, me spirit as higher. Freedom blaze, set me soul on fire. It's a chant for the love divine. Herb make the stars, them align. Babylon can't stop Jah design. Freedom blaze, eternally shine. Freedom blaze, light up the sky. Herb are the key, make the spirit fly. One love call, me reply. Freedom blaze, Jah love can die. So light up the fire, let the smoke rise tall. Freedom blaze, answer Jah call. Forever me sing, forever me ball. Herb are the blessing for one and all.
Ay, 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 ay. Fire spark, paper twist. Evening start like this. Me no bun fi hype or show. Me bun fi no. First pull slow, second deep. Mind awake from sleep. Start them line up neat and clean. More than them seem. Me question things me never ask. Truth remove mask. Ganja no make fool wise. It just open eye. Show me where me wrong before. Show me more. Me see me fear, me see me pride. Put them aside. Ganja wisdom talk so plain. Cut through joy and pain. Ganja wisdom guide me road. Light and heavy load. Me reason with myself alone. Heart become throne. Me plan less, me trust more. Life open door. Herb no magic, herb no trick. Just make me honest quick. Me see the world no black and white. More shade in sight. Some wrong grow from wounded soul. Understanding all. So me move softer through the day. Choose what me say. Smoke rise, then disappear. Lessons stay clear. What me learn, me can't forget. No regret. Ganja wisdom talk so plain. Cut through joy and pain. Ganja wisdom guide me road. Light and heavy load. From early dawn, me hear the sound. Now ya bring the drum on sacred ground. It call the people far and near, together with no hate, no fear. The heartbeat rhythm, deep and slow, teach me things me need to know. Every tap, a message clear. Freedom time, drawing near. Drum beat for freedom, echo loud. Lift up the humble, shake the proud. One vibration, one command. Jah deliver the promised land. Me see the youth them march in line, eyes them bright, spirit divine. Me see the mothers chant along, every voice become one song. The elders stand with staff in hand, guard the truth in the land. Drum beat calling, I'm a bone. Tell me Zion is me home. We chant for justice, chant for peace, chant until the change release. We burn the lies, we plant the seed, we heal the heart from Babylon greed. The smoke rise up, the air gets sweet. Freedom fire, warm with feet. We know that time will come soon, under the sun and silver moon. Me trod through town with drum and back. No fear, me nah lose track. Me knock the skin, the people sway. All them troubles fade away. Me hear a child ask him pa, who give we drum, who give we la? Him smile and say from long ago, drum beat guide we way to grow. Knock the drum, let Babylon shake. Tell the truth, them can't fake. Each beat a sword, each tone a shield, each word a seed in Jah field. Freedom come when we unite. Stand up strong, chant the right. From the hills to sea to town, drum beat tear oppression down. Nightfall come, firelight blaze. People dance in righteous ways. No weapon here, just urban song. Healing vibes all night long. Drums still knock like heart inside. Show the path, Jah be we guide. No man can silence this sound. Freedom drum forever pound. Before the dawn, me rest me hand, but drum still echo across the land. It carry story, carry name, carry love through joy and pain. So when you hear that thunder roll, know it speak to every soul. Drum beat for freedom, never cease. It chant for love, it chant for peace. Drum beat for freedom, echo loud. Lift up the humble, shake the proud. One vibration, one command. Jah deliver the promised land. Drum beat for freedom, true and strong. Lead we home where we belong.
Deep meditation with Rasta. Oh, yeah, man. Circle a virgin fire ablaze. Drum them a beat, night full of praise. Under the stars we hold it tight. One drum make the spirit light. Me said it no matter where you from, Africa, Europe or Vietnam. One draw link when me tell you true. In at this moment me feel brand new. When I talk about stress or pain, just reading Ganja and gyrate. Me pass the chalice, you pass the smile. In the circle, life makes sense a while. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. Yes, we blaze the night till morning light. Smoke rise like prayer to sky, and me feel just spirit nearby. Me sister laugh, me brother sing. It's a real life roots man reasoning. You don't need millions or gold chain. Real riches come from healing pain. We not boast, we share what we grow. Inna the ground, the truth still flow. One rhythm, one spliff, one vibe. We dance away, Babylon tribe. Me no need no throne or fame. One draw connect, we all the same. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. We blaze the night till morning light. One time for the youth, them last. Two time for love that pay no cost. Three time for the roots man wait. Four time for live another day. Me not live for hype nor show. Me live for the people, the trees we grow. Every draw is a gift from Jah, so we praise for the herb, the star. One draw, one love, bless the nation. Reggae music, herb meditation. Unity at the highest grade. Come together, no man afraid. One draw, one chant, one reason deep. No secrets, no lies we keep. Me mother said, child live clean and true. Me father said, praise Jah in all you do. Me elder said, smoke with respect. So me light up the herb with full intellect. Me not abuse, me use fi heal, fi balance heart and make me feel. Me sip me roots tonic, me dance and sing. One draw at the gateway fi everything. So come be your friend, me open the gates. No time fi hate, no time fi wait. The fire blaze, the rhythm roll, and Ganja unite the broken soul. Under moonlight we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it shine. This roots man love are truly divine. One draw, one love, we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it. Smoke a spliff inna the morning, ya man. Me rise up early, sun kiss me face. Blessed morning in a holy place. Me step barefoot on earth so green. Ganja leaf, step on the scene. Me give thanks for the breath me take, for the life and every move me make. Me brew me tea from roots and bark. Me chant a song when the roosters bark. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. Inna this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me plant me food, me till me land. Me hold the drum with a steady hand. Me woman bring fruits from the tree. She is natural, just like me. No fake smile, no plastic vibe. We live clean, love deep and drive. No rush life, no clock fi bind. Me time flow in Jaja time. Me look to the hills, me see me dream. Me hear ancestors pon the mountain stream. Them guide me steps when the world get loud. Them lift me spirit from beneath the cloud. Me chant them names and me keep them near. Me walk with courage, never fear. Me meditate on the
morning light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me sit on stone beside me drum. Me heart beat like a lion come. Me light one spliff fi cleanse me mind. Me see the signs me used to blind. The children run, them laugh and play. Them carry the sun into the day. Me teach them truth, me show them peace. Me show them how love never cease. Herb is me sacrament, me meditation tool. Me burn it in a silence or by the stream pool. No violence, no hate. Me chant for love, me answer to guidance from Jah above. Me nah follow fashion or Babylon pace. Me find me rhythm in a Rasta grace. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Oh, morning light pan Rasta face. Peace and love in a sacred space. Me praise the sun, me bless the rain. Me live for joy, not chase no gain. Rasta morning, light and clear. Rasta morning, Jah is near.
Aye, Rasta man is I meditate, ya man. From the dust and from the pain, Jah bring the roots again. Every seed we buried deep, now awake from holy sleep. The sun shine bright, the sky clear. Hear the voice we all can hear. Them think the culture fade away, but the roots no stray. Every drum beat, every rhyme, carry through time. Me see the youth them plant again, in the heart of mountain plain. Roots no bend, roots no break. It grow for the people's sake. Me walk with pride, me walk with soul. Me chant for peace, me chant for all. History written by the few, but Jah reveal what true. Them can't erase the lion roar. We stand firm forevermore. Me chant for unity, me chant for love. Every heart blessed from above. Rise up the roots, rise again. Wash the world from Babylon chain. Oh, one heart, one song, one flame. Jah glory no man can tame. Plant the love, watch it grow. Let the righteous always know. Me see the children dance and sing. Roots vibration, healing bring. Ancient stories still untold, worth more than silver or gold. Me teach you youth fi honor the land. Keep Jah's spirit close at hand. Elder teaching a market square. Keep the roots, show the care. Every hand plant seed of love. Blessing come from up above. Me hear the rhythm flow, the drums beat strong. Lift the people with the song.
connect every soul. We all part of one whole. Me see the sign, me see the time. Jah reason through the rhyme angel. Rise of the roots, rise again. Wash the world from Babylon chain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah glory no man can tame. So keep the roots within your hand. It build the nation, heal the land. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Jamaica, Kingston, pushing out the paper. Yeah. Me walk on earth like ancient tree, roots deep down in history. Me crown lock up, me spirit free. Me face the sun, me bend fi breeze. Me eyes not blind, me sight not dim. Me drink the herb, me sing a hymn. Mountains whisper, rivers talk. Me soul awaken when me walk. Me not in a rush, me take me time. Every moment is Jah design. Me light the chalice, inhale peace, exhale worries, let trouble cease. Me hear the call of ancestors, them guide me through the stormy waters. Me chant in the early dawn, meditate till Babylon gone. Me grow like tree in the wind. Me nah break, me nah bend. Roots hold strong from deep within. Me rise again and again. Me praise Jah with every breath. Me fear not shadow, me fear not death. Life is sacred, time I test. Me live the truth and leave the rest. Me sit beneath the mango tree. Birds are singing harmony. Me woman who ital stew. Me give thanks for all we do. No concrete, no flashing light. Just moon and firelight in a night. Me children learn from earth and sky. Them know Jah love will never die. Ganja smoke rise like holy steam. Open up me soul fi dream. Me float above the world below. Me see what most will never know. Truth nah live, be na headline. It dwell in heart, an ancient sign. Me reason with me elders wise. Them teach me how to recognize. Me grow like tree in the wind. Me nah break, me nah bend. Roots hold strong from deep within. Me rise again and again. Me praise Jah with every breath. Me fear not shadow, me fear not death. Life is sacred, time I test. Me live the truth and leave the rest. Me no look on man and judge. Me no walk with grudge. Me build bridge, me plant seed, me water tree, me do good deed. Love are the only real law, the only one me ever saw. Me not carry no vanity, just a bag full of humility. So when breeze blow and leaves a fall, me still hear just silent
at the herb, watch smoke rise low. City but me mind awake. Every jar of truth me take. Me step outside, barefoot on the ground. Old roots whisper, ancient sound. No rush time, me move real calm. Urban unlike healing balm. Babylon shout loud and fast, but me nah live in them forecast. Me breathe deep, let worries go. Smoke curl soft, nice and slow. Me see them share shiny things, but peace now come from diamond rings. Me learn more from tree and sun than them talk we never done. Every puff open me sight, show me wrong, show me right. No escape now either way, just clarity in a grave. Smoke rise slow, clear me head, all truth echo where elders said. Smoke rise slow, drift and lean. Life makes sense in between. Me think about struggle, think about pain, think how joy come after rain. Herb remind me to stay kind. No poison grow inside me mind. Me no need throne, me no need crown. Me kingdom here when sun go down. One chalice full heart stay light. Reason with stars in the night. The see the youth them tense and tight. We're too loud, too much fight. Me tell them breathe, slow it down. Wisdom pro and ego drawn. No man pure, no man clean, but every soul got space between. Smoke teach patience, teach respect, show direction. Misdirect, asphalt gentle for me on. Like message me understand. Nothing rush, nothing force. Life flow best when follow force. Smoke rise slow, clear me head, all truth echo where elders said. Smoke rise slow, drift and lean. Life makes sense in between. When I fade on morning show, we keep it pace, me soul already know. Smoke rise slow, whoa. Smoke rise slow, whoa. And night fade and morning show, we keep it pace, me soul already know. Smoke rise slow, they soon stay. Oh, carry this into the day. No smoker, split with Zion reggae. Up in the hills where the moonlight fall, me sit with me thoughts here nature call. No light but the stars them blink
Zion echo flow infinite. Me walk through grass tall like me faith. Each blade sing a song about life and faith. Them Babylon light, them flicker and fade, but the stars shine truth, undiluted and afraid. Me chant for the youth, them lost in stress. For them who hustle but get no rest. Me send out frequency high and clean, like a trumpet blow in a holy dream. No riches in a pocket but me heart full. Me mind sharp, me senses full. Me sight Babylon's tricks and lies. Them build prison with sugar coated ties. But me not hate, me elevate. Me create sound, feel liberate. From Zion echo come healing balm. Reggae the sword and love the car. Light over Zion, me guide in a dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Me sit by river where cold wind blow and watch how the rhythm of the water flow. It teach me patience, teach me grace. Me see me reflection and find me place. Me nah run down fast, food love. Me build connection from roots above. Me woman beside me, natural queen. No fake, just real love, pure and clean. One spliff, one drum, one breath. Every night a rebirth, no death. Me see spirit in the owl's flight. Me reason deep in the heart of night. Rasta not sleep when wisdom call. Me write down visions on lumpen wall. Starlight over Zion, me guide in a dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Starlight guide me home. Zion road me roam alone. Me spirit light like a morning breeze. Roots strong like 1,000 trees. Starlight over Zion. Starlight over Zion.
Na 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 Zion reggae, Ya Mon. Walk the Zion path so true. Jah Jah guide me steps anew. It lead the humble, guide the meek. Zion path all soul shall seek. No Babylon can block the way. Zion path forever stay. It shine with light, it shine with flame. Zion path exalt his name. Zion path straight and clear. Jah forever walking near. Every step me soul be strong. Zion path me walk along. It guide the children, guide the land. Zion path by Jah hand. Forever holy, never stray. Zion path the righteous way. It climb the hill, it cross the sea. Zion
Zion part eternity. From dawn to dusk, from night to day, Zion part the only way. Me trod the road with the psalm in hand. Zion part across the land. It lift me soul, it heal me mind. Zion part for all mankind. No Babylon can shake me ground. Zion path always found, forever holy, pure and true. Zion path carry you. It shine eternal, shine so bright. Zion path your light, forever glowing, never cease. Zion path bring your peace. It call the nations, call them home. Zion path never roam. Eternal roadway, pure and strong. Zion path we trod along. When the trumpet sound again, Zion path still remain, forever shining, pure and free. Zion path destiny. From age to age, from day to night, Zion path forever light. Eternal journey, true and long. Zion path me heart belong. Step firm, step true. Zion path for me and you. No chain, no wall can block the way. Zion path here fi stay. Zion path straight and clear. Jah forever walking near. Every step me soul be strong. Zion path me walk along. From dawn of time to judgment day, Zion path me trudge away.
Roots don't sleep, even when the world them deep in a illusion. Even when steel and glass take over land, Jah power still grow from the ground. Me wake up with sun on my face, another day in Babylon place. Them system cold, them heart so dry. Them watch we suffer while them fly high. But me roots them talk in the breeze, whispering truths beneath them trees. Every leaf a memory, every grain a tale, a silent revolution, unstoppable trail. Them take we water, them poison the food. Them call it progress, me call it rude. But me plant seed with intention strong. Me know the earth will right the wrong. Roots don't sleep, them rise at night. Them feel with pain, them fight the fight. Through concrete cracks and plastic shell, roots reach out with spirit swell. Roots don't sleep, them listen clear. Them cry with weed, them wipe with tear. While Babylon dancing fake delight, roots prepare for the holy light. Me walk through city with silent mind, observing the madness mankind design. Them busy chasing what can't fulfill. Me chant fi balance, me soul stay still. Me see billboard with glitter and fame, but behind it me hear Jah name. Me see the children hungry and lost, while them leaders drink and
Me hear Mama Earth, she call me so. Say child of light, you half, you know. Me womb still fertile, me fire still blaze. But you must walk through Babylon is. Them a sleep, them a scroll, them a click. But roots no rhythm, roots move quick. Deep in the soil where no eye can see. A new world growing quietly. Roots of knowledge, roots of love. Fed by moon and watched by dove. Me chant with drum, me chant with flame. Me burn illusion, me call them name.
No bill and no stress, ganja health my soul, yeah man. Raindrops fall on the zinc rooftop. We roll me spliff and not stop. Me girl asleep on me chest so warm. Thunder roar but me all are calm. The fire inside still blaze so bright. Even though the sky lose light. Ganja scent and loving eyes. We float away under stormy skies. No makeup, no show, no lie. Just her and I. Real vibes high. The drops of rain I wash me clean. We love more deep than any dream. Roots in the rain, love still grow. Even when the wind a blow. Rasta heart and Empress soul. Together strong, together whole. Drip drop fall, we still feel peace. She hold me tight, and then release. Jah plant the seed, the love it stay. Roots in the rain, no fade away. We cook vital food on fire coal. Coconut stew, warm me soul. Me Empress laugh when me sing off key. But still she say she love me melody. We talk about Zion, talk about dreams. About little youths and river streams. Me roll the herb while she chant a psalm. Rain still fall but the vibes stay calm. Even in thunder Jah love remain. Even in hardship we never complain. A simple life but rich in sound. With each heartbeat me love rebound. Roots in the rain, keep them go. From mountain top to valley low. Me hold her hand, she hold me heart. One love flow, we never part. Rain on roof, but light within. The herb and she a cure me sin. No diamond ring, but me soul she claim. Together we standing in Zion name. She plant basil, me plant thyme. The garden grow in just time. Each drop of rain, a blessing come. Each thunderclap, a holy drum. She dance barefoot on muddy ground. Laugh like breeze and spin around. We sit and watch with grateful eye. Thankful for love, me can't deny. She no need gold, she no need throne. She make me hot, feel like home.
Zion.
Me climb the hill before the day. Me still dance and clouds still play. The drum of earth beating on me chest. Me feel Jah calling from the crest. Each step higher, me sight more wide. Babylon fade when Jah reside. Me reach the peak, me lift me and give thanks to life and Jah creation grand. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Me see the river snake below, flowing truth where all man know. The trees them sway in a sacred time. Every branch speaking holy rhyme. Me nah need gold, me nah need crown. Just the hills way pull me down. Me breathe the air so clean, so free. Zion gift for me family. Me trod with brethren by me side. Each a warrior humble in pride. We carry drum and carry flame. Fi chant and praise Jah holy name. We set up camp where breeze blow strong. We reason deep till the night is long. Me feel Jah power in every tone. Each heartbeat drum fi him alone. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Step by step me trod fi high. No turning back, no asking why. The chalice burn, the heart are pure. Each breath me take me over cure. Me hold the faith, me hold the ground. Each chant echo mountain sound. No man can buy the view me see. It's Jah creation set me free. Irie wind blow inna me dread. Pure meditation fill me head. From dawn till dark me nah retreat. Me keep me trot to Jah seat. Morning come and sunlight break. Bird a sing and earth awake. Me pick some herb from mountainside. Herbal blessing Jah provide. Me sip me tea and give thanks more. Fi help, fi love, fi open door. And when me step back down again, me carry mountain inna me brain. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Mountain chant till the morning dew. Zion path me always true. Ay, 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 Rasta Zion. Roll this spliff. Inna the hills, far from the city screen, we find the stillness like a sacred dream. No concrete, no flashing lights, just trees, breeze, and stars at night. Me barefoot step on earth so cold, feeling the stories them ancestors told. Me carry drum and me carry flame. Fi call the spirit in Jah name. Me pitch me tent under holy sky. Me roll me herbs while owl fly by. Me hear the silence
like ancient sound, so deep it shake me soul from ground. Me light up chalice, eyes turn red, but it's not fi forget, it's fi wake the dead. Me chant alone, but me not feel alone. Jah voice echo in every stone. Mountain chant, fire in the air. Me reason with the trees, Jah always there. No Babylon clock, no digital chain, just drumbeat, pure and natural rain. Me chant and me rise, me soul transcend. This liberty real, it not pretend. High up here, me find me place. A Rasta in a nature's warm embrace. Me remember when me used to stress, the nights, the rush, the daily mess. But in the mountain, me find me pace. Me thoughts slow down, me heart embrace. Me sip some roots, me eat ital stew. Everything simple, everything true. Me nah need dollar, nah need gold. This freedom deeper than what them sold. Fire blaze, me beat the drum. We call to Jah, we call for some peace for the youth, some strength for the poor, some light for the hearts Babylon ignore. Me chant till morning, meet me face, till the sun rise up and light the place. Me give thanks for the night, for the breath, for the fire. Me give thanks for every righteous desire. Mountain chant, fire in the air. Me reason with the trees, Jah always there. No Babylon clock, no digital chain, just drumbeat, pure and natural rain. Me chant and me rise, me soul transcend. This liberty real, it not pretend. High up here, me find me place. A Rasta in a nature's warm embrace. This world too loud, too fast, too blind. People lose them heart, them soul, them mind. But the mountain teach, the herbs reveal what's fake, what's
Me fight for the truth, me nah bow down. Them can't stop we are hold the crown. Revolution, inna the word me speak. The power of the people, the strong not weak. Them want silence we, but we chant it loud. We are rise up strong, we are move the crowd. From the ghetto lane to the highest hill. We chant for justice, we chant for will. The fire burn, the battle long, but we not stop till Babylon gone. Me see the system, me see the lies. Them want we blind, them want we ties. But me know the truth, me stand up tall. We nah go stumble, we nah go fall. We are freedom fighters, stand up strong. Revolution in a song, chant it long. The system a crumble, we break the chain. Babylon fall, righteousness reign. Them lock we up, them lock we down. Them treat we bad, them want we drown. But we have to rise, we have to win. We chant your name, we feel within. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. The poor man cry, but him rise again. We not give up, we not lose faith. The victory close, can't come too late. From Marcus Garvey to the prophet's word, we chant it high, make sure it heard. Them take we land, them take we soul. Them try to control, but we still hold. We know the truth, we know we pass. We know say righteousness always last. The fire burn, we ablaze the trail. We not go fail, we not turn frail. Jah give we the strength, fi rise and lead. We plant the future like righteous seed. Me see the warriors pon the front line. Them ready fi battle, them hold the sign. The elders guide, the youth them learn. The wisdom pass, the fire burn. Them try to stop we, them try to stall. But the people rise, them break the wall. We chant it loud, we make it known. The revolution, A set in stone, me tell the ghetto youths, don't lose hope, even when the system want you cope. The future bright, the road might long, but hold the faith, you have to strong. We fight with wisdom, we fight with love, we fight for truth, from Jah above. Me say rise up, fight for the way, the system fall, but we can't delay. We there for justice, we there for peace. Freedom fighters, we never cease.
Na 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 na, saya. Reggae, Ya Mon. Inna the night when the silence speak, me light up herbs and me soul seek. Me sit on rooftop on the moon, dub rhythm chant a mystic tune. See the burn, the air get still. Me spirit travel, Ganja will. No phone, no screen, no fake distraction. Just heartbeat and natural action. Dub meditation, floating a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me rest in the boys fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with right intention. Me close me eyes, me fly away through nebulae and Milky Way. Me reason with stars in a astral plane. Them whisper secrets fi ease me pain. Every echo tell me truth, like wise elders speak to youth. Me see past time, me touch the light. Me come back strong, me soul upright. Dub meditation float in a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me rest in the wise fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with right intention. Not be run from life, but fi sharpen mind like a knife. Me inhale truth, exhale lies. Me sit still and me overstand skies. No fear when you move in a wisdom. Dub shake wall like Jericho kingdom. Me chant, me drum, me grunt, me float, me ride bassline like righteous boat. Me link with ancestors through deep tone. In a dub me never feel alone. It's like rhythm, hold me tight, guide me safe through darkest night. From root to crown, vibration climb. Me feel the pulse, me move in time. Dub a me temple, herb a me key. Jah open door, me spirit free. Dub meditation float in a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me rest in the wise fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with right intention. So if you're stressed, if your mind in pain, come sit with I in a dub refrain. No need for talk, no need for run. Just close your eyes and face the sun. Let the bass wash you like river. Let echo flow, make you deliver. One rhythm, one breath, one love. Meditation rise like peaceful dove.
Zion Roots. Ya Mon. Sacred smoke, lift me high. Herb of Jah, reach the sky. Healing vibes, can't deny. Sacred smoke, the spirit comply. In the circle we chant and praise. Light up the herbs, set the soul ablaze. Sativa breeze, feed the brighter days. Sacred smoke, make the pathway raise. No need, no riches, no diamond shine. Herb are the treasure, it's Jah design. Roll up the love, make the heart combine. Sacred smoke, the blessing divine. Sacred smoke, lift me high. Herb of Jah, reach the sky. Healing vibes, can't deny. Sacred smoke, the spirit comply. Golden strains like the morning sun. Pineapple kush make the journey fun. One puff a day make the struggle done. Sacred smoke, me battles won. Meditation deep, the vision clear. Herb are the answer, banish fear. In a Jah love, me persevere. Sacred smoke, forever near. Chant down Babylon walls tonight. Herb are the guide, the holy light. Sacred smoke, make the wrongs go right. Forever in Jah sight. Sacred smoke, lift me high. Herb of Jah, reach the sky. Healing vibes, can't deny. Sacred smoke, the spirit comply. So gather the people, let the smoke them rise. Sacred herb, Jah's gift in disguise. Forever we praise, forever we realize. Sacred smoke, open your eyes.